As the world's richest, Jeff Bezos and Richard Branson fight to retain the title of pioneers of space tourism, Elon Musk is polishing the capabilities of his company, SpaceX. In July 2021, Musk's SpaceX lit a part of the rocket, which we hope will one day potentially transport humans to Mars or the Moon or beyond. SpaceX tested 3 Raptor engines on its Super Heavy booster for the first time from its launch site in Texas. When the model is complete, the company's Starship, loaded with cargo or astronauts, will be mounted on Super Heavy, the booster stage of the 2-stage Starship system, fired by up to 32 Raptor engines for a trip to the Moon and beyond. Reaching this stage, however, wasn't easy for SpaceX. Rather, it was filled with failures, not once, but several times. Here is a brief look at how SpaceX and its rockets have evolved over time to become what they are today. SpaceX was launched in 2002 by Elon Musk, headquartered in California, with a vision to make space flights affordable to people. SpaceX's first ever rocket was the Falcon 1. Test launched in March 2006 but was unsuccessful due to a fuel leak and fire. Between 2007 and August 2008, all Falcon 1 launches remained ineffective. In September 2008, however, Falcon 1 finally reached the Earth's orbit, making SpaceX the first private company to do so. Next came the Falcon 9, equipped with the payload ability to lift more than 13,000 kg of Earth's gravity well. In December 2010, SpaceX paired a spacecraft, the Dragon capsule, with Falcon 9 and sent it into the Earth's orbit, only to have it successfully return. SpaceX has been committed to reusing its rockets to reduce the launch costs. In the past 20 years, Falcon 9 has been launched 84 times and 45 times it returned to Earth safely. Out of the 45 rockets, 31 have been recycled and launched again. In 2012, the Dragon capsule docked with the International Space Station and delivered cargo, a first for the commercial spacecraft industry.
Falcon 9 has cleared the tower. Starting pitch kick.
After the 9th launch, SpaceX was able to achieve a controlled ocean landing of the Falcon 9, the first in the history of rocket landing during an orbital launch. In this year itself, Musk's company tried landing rockets on drone ships in the ocean, but it also ended in failure. Finally, it was in 2016, a Falcon 9's first stage touched down softly on a drone ship called, of course, I Still Love You. In 2018, SpaceX tested another rocket called the Falcon Heavy, which landed successfully 2 times out of 3. The rocket placed into the sun's orbit a Tesla Roadster with a mannequin in a spacesuit in the driver's seat. So just last year, SpaceX reached another milestone when it flew NASA astronauts to the ISS, a first for a private company to fly a crewed mission to the space. Now coming back to the present day, SpaceX is developing spacecraft meant for several purposes, and this includes transporting the Japanese businessman Maezawa Yusaku and others to Mars. So we waited nearly 20 years for the progress we see today. It's probably soon that travel to Mars or the Moon becomes a reality.